Hey everyone, welcome back to Endless Money Pits. This is a 2007 Toyota Camry, and today I'll be showing you how to replace the cabin air filter. The procedure is very similar for all Camrys made from 2002 to 2021. You should replace the cabin air filter every 15,000 miles, but I'm being told that this one hasn't been changed in almost 10 years. If you suffer from dust and pollen allergies like me, then replacing the filter regularly will benefit you even more. Here are the tools that I used for this job. First, we'll need to take all this junk out of the glove box. Remove this arm on the side by pulling it toward the passenger door. On 2001 to 2006 models, there is a screw holding the arm in place. The rear corners of the glove box have two small protrusions keeping it from falling downward. You can flex the glove box just enough to drop it down by pushing firmly on the upper rear edge. Now we have access to the cabin air filter housing. Use two hands to compress the clips on either side of the filter cover, then pull it out. Now the cabin air filter can be removed. Make sure to clean out any debris inside of the filter housing. And here, ladies and gentlemen, is the reason why you should replace the filter regularly. It's completely filled with dirt and debris. Here's the new filter I'll be installing. This particular model fits Camrys made from 2007 to 2017. It doesn't need to be a fancy, expensive filter, it just has to fit. Make sure to note the direction of airflow marked on the filter. In this car, the direction of airflow is from top to bottom. Slide the new filter all the way into the filter housing. The filter cover needs to be in the correct orientation as well. Be careful not to drop the filter cover down into the dash.
Don't drop it.
Somehow, one of the glove box hinges became disconnected. I thought I got it back in, but I was wrong. I put all the junk back in the glove box, but couldn't get it to close. It took a lot of pressure to get the stupid thing reconnected.
Stupid thing? Man, that took a lot of pressure.
Reconnect the arm to the side of the glove box, and we're done.
Put that in the video.
That concludes this week's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this, and until next time, just keep throwing money at it.